up's my nigga. We are my nigga. You pussy ass nigga. Man, fuck y'all niggas. Cause I'm that nigga. I'm that nigga. I woke up in Chris Brown's body. So how this shit turned into Freaky Friday. But we got no choice but to turn this bitch sideways. I can't believe that it's Freaky Friday. It's Freaky Friday. I'm in Chris Brown's body. I drive his Ferrari and I'm like skin black.
So, let's take it back a couple of years.
Move your body out on the floor. Put your troubles aside. Start living. Anybody can let go. Throw away all your problems. Cause right now it's party time. Girl, don't feel out of place. Cause I'm in love with this feeling now. I hope that this will last a while. We should make it last a while. You love to drink, so do we. Get more better.
What's going on, guys? I hope everybody's having a blessed day. So if you're watching a part of this video, that means you've seen the full video, and I really appreciate that. And if you guys like these type of videos, comment below and I'll definitely try to do more. I would also like to say the quote of the day, and that's be bold, be free, be truthful to yourself. It's very important. Or like I always say in my videos, always love. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Smash that subscribe button. Show your boy some love. And comment below if you have any questions. I look forward to them. And I'll see you guys next video. Peace.